want to learn how to make some money. You got the skills, you're a welder, you're an iron worker, you're a tradesman, and you've been seeing the containers and you've been like, man, how do I actually make money? How do I get into it? What do it take for me to actually start doing modifications or actually start picking up side jobs? I develop a course, container conversion course, and in this course I'm going to show you from start to finish on how to make money, to actually how to cut them in half, to do the modifications, what material you need, what type of welding procedure you're going to have to do on them, what type of insulation, what type of cutouts you need, how to actually do them, and actually to market them as well. So if you're looking for something like that, because I've had many people inbox me and ask me, and honestly, game like this, I can't give it away for free. Just like going to college, most of the college programs and the courses that you take, they charge for it. And so I looked around, and for what I have to offer, it's priceless. And I'm only giving it to you for $200. That's $200. And just my time and effort and putting everything together and developing a video to actually ask all of your questions and giving you a follow-up call. You can actually call me to ask any personal questions, and we can actually set up a meeting to actually talk. $200. This is actually an investment to help you make money. It's all about helping you make money. You know, I'm not knocking anyone that got something they want to offer you, but if it's not helping you make money, then, you know, right now it's all about making money. And so I know that it takes money to make money, so we have to break that mentality. But I'm standing outside of my conversion right now. I'm still working on it. Most people have already seen me get it off the ground from zero to where I got it at right now. I'm on stage 23 actually from the start framing, and I want to help you make money. And, you know, like I say, it takes money to make money. A lot of people have asked me, a lot of people have inboxed me and tried to call me, leaving me messages, trying to pick my brain. I can't give you this information for free. I'm not going to give you this information for free. But I do have a course, and this course for $200 will save you a lot of time, will save you a lot of headaches, and will guarantee to make you money as long as you're a hustler and you apply the things that I'm telling you. Everything is unorthodox, so if you think it's going to be like verbatim like what you thought, it's not going to be nothing like that. But I guarantee you I can help you make money. So my goal is to break some curses, to help you get some generational wealth, and to actually build something in your community for you, to actually get you some independence and you'll gain your freedom, being independent, you know, whatever trade that you do, because I know we come from different trades. So if you're a tradesman and you think you can do this, and I know you can, I can help you. Let me help you. Let me save you some time with my course. I'm going to give you a good video, a follow-up call, and an email to actually walk you through this procedure where you can go back to later and you can actually share it with someone, and then you can actually make money with this. And we can actually, one day, we probably come together and do a conversion together. You know, you never know. But I want to be able to give you something that's affordable. I've seen some courses was over $300. Some started off at $500, and I just wanted to make it affordable for what I actually got involved in it. And I'm knowing this is going to help you make money. So I got to be able to at least break even and to be able to help you, because my goal is to help you, and I also got to feed myself. You know, it's just what it is. We also got bills to pay. So if you're thinking about getting inside the container conversion, if you're thinking about doing some modifications and getting a 20 footer and cutting it in half, you want to know how to make a mini cab, you want to know how to put the roll-up doors, you want to know how to seal the steel doors off that you can actually get from Lowe's or Home Depot. If you want to keep it simple but actually make money, give me a call. My phone number is 405-977-9343. My email is HogOnWelding@gmail.com. You can hit my website up. It's www.HogOnWelding.com. My name is Black Phoenix. Y'all have a good day. Hog on.